Today, you will learn how to change paper size in Word document. First, open your Word document, then click the Layout tab at the top. In the Page Setup group, click Size. You'll see a list of paper sizes like A4, letter, legal, and more. Simply click the size you want, and Word will instantly apply it to your entire document. If you need a different paper size starting from a specific page, place your cursor where the new size should begin, then go to Layout, click Size, and choose More Paper Sizes. In the Paper tab, select your preferred paper size. At the bottom, change Apply To from Whole Document to This Point Forward. Then click OK. Word will automatically start a new page with the new paper size. If you need a custom paper size that isn't listed, go to Layout, Size, then More Paper Sizes. In the Paper tab, choose Custom Size, enter your own width and height, and click OK. If you want every new Word document to use your favorite paper size by default, open Layout, click Size, then More Paper Sizes, choose your paper size, click Set as Default, confirm by clicking Yes, and then click OK. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.